In front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and let me show you how to reset app preferences. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select apps right here and tap on more. And if you truly want to remove all preferences for your apps, just click on reset app preferences. And as you can see, data for disabled apps, notification restriction for apps, background data restriction for apps, and also permission restrictions will be removed. And if you truly want to reset it, just tap on reset. And that's it. Now you went back to default values. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily reset app preferences. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.